Did you know the key to good health begins deep inside, at the cellular level? Your body has an amazing process called autophagy. It's like a built-in cleanup crew that removes harmful waste from your cells and restores balance throughout your system. In 2016, Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize for discovering how autophagy works, revealing the body's own way of repairing and rejuvenating itself. But here's the catch. As we get older, this process slows down. And when it does, the risk of serious illnesses, like cancer, Alzheimer's, and autoimmune diseases, can rise. So the question is, how can we turn it back on? Ohsumi's research showed that fasting is a powerful trigger for autophagy. But in 2019, 3 other Nobel Prize-winning scientists found something even more exciting by combining short periods of hypoxia, that's temporarily lowering oxygen levels, with specific exercises. You can activate autophagy just as effectively, maybe even more. In his book Unlock the Body's Hidden Powers, Boris Aranovich shares quick, simple hypoxia-based exercises you can do at home. These movements don't just trigger autophagy, they improve how your body works, lift your energy, and even enhance your natural beauty. It's a perfect solution for busy people who still want to take charge of their health without expensive equipment or long training sessions. You'll find more details about the book below this video. Start your journey to better health today, and if this message helped you, share it so more people can discover this simple, life-changing method. And remember to subscribe. I truly appreciate you.